How to enable or disable wake up Bixby even when media is playing on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down, and in here, tap on advanced features. After that, tap on Bixby. Then tap on voice registration. And in here, tap on wake up when media is playing. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on. Then tap on the turn on button from the pop-up. Or if you want to switch it off, tap on the toggle button to turn off wake up when media is playing for Bixby. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.